drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the girl. She don't stress, she don't trip. And she fuck with all my bros. So if I gotta choose someone, then it must be her. She been here since day one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this dark blue. I never done middle part. That's my first time having a middle part. Let me know what you guys think. So if you guys are interested in knowing, keep on watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell button also. Give the video a thumbs up and let's go right to the video. So I'm gonna start by getting my stuff ready. I'm gonna use this big plastic bag so nothing gets on the table. I'm gonna use my BW2 with my 40 developer, some shampoo, something to mix it, and I'm also gonna use this aluminum foil to separate the hair. I'm gonna start by, mixing my bleach and start by bleaching my closure. I like to make it really thick so it doesn't run to the hair. And see, you guys use a plastic bag. If I didn't have that plastic bag, I'll have a big mess to clean after, so use a plastic bag. I applied it to my frontal, my closure. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that after like 5 minutes, and I'm gonna put the shimmer shampoo and let it sit for about 2 minutes just to even the tone of the closure, because sometimes the bleach leave like an orange tone, so I want the shimmer shampoo to fight that color and make it a little bit brown. So this is my frontal. I'm gonna show you, why I keep saying frontal, my closure. I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the hair now, because in order to get that blue hair, it's gotta be bleached. And also I gotta tell you guys what mistake I did with this hair, so you guys don't go ahead and do the same mistake. I had to bleach this hair twice. It was a struggle, and the thing is, I was being lazy. With my laziness, I had to do it twice. So you guys, when you guys bleaching the hair, take your time. Do not rush, because if you rush, it's not gonna turn out good. And by me bleaching it and put the color and bleach it again, the front came out lighter than the back. So please take your time and bleach it. And also make sure you guys open the bundles when you're bleaching it so the hair inside could be bleached. That was my mistake too, because the inside of my bundle was not bleached, so I had to go ahead and bleach it again. I'm gonna let you guys watch it, show you the end result, and we're gonna jump into the dyeing part. So this is the color I got after bleaching it the second time. I'm gonna do the color water method, so I use hot water. So I'm gonna use these two colors from Adore, 178 and 112. I didn't want the color to came out too light or too dark, so I used the 178, which is the darker navy blue, and the 112, which is the lightest one. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that, dip the hair on it, and I use that plastic bag in the background to put the hair on, because my mom was using the sink and I wanted to get this over with, so I had to do it on the tub. So let me tell you guys right now, if you guys doing any type of color, do not do it on your tub. Do it on your sink or somewhere else, because it's just gonna stain. You don't want no blue or any color on your tub. So whilst this is drying, like you guys can see, I use my fan to dry the hair because I was doing other things at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I use for this part 3 of the video, which is doing the wig. I'm gonna use the needle, thread, some hair glue, a blow dryer, and some pair of scissors with the pin, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and pin the closure first, make sure it's secure, and I'm gonna start sewing in, and that's all the sewing I'm gonna do, because your girl was doing other stuff, so I had to use the hair glue. I'm not gonna lie, I like the hair glue a lot better than sewing in, because it's less time. It took me about an hour to do this hair, like it was so quick. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. I basically pinned both hands of the track ear to ear, so I know where exactly to put the glue. I put a first layer of glue After every time it dries, I just go ahead on top of the track and put some more glue, because let me tell you sis, you don't want this hair to come off. Okay, it's glue, go extra. You don't want to be out running your fingers through your hair and you see the tracks coming off, because it's gonna be so embarrassing, trust me. If you have to use extra glue, use extra glue. If you have to use the whole bottle, then use the whole bottle, because it gotta be secure. Then I basically did the rest the same way, except when I get to the top, I just follow the closure, make sure it sits really tight and not bumpy. So you guys take your time and do it and you'll be fine. Next, I did go ahead and pluck the hair a little bit. I push it back, I use my tweezers to pluck. I don't have a specific way how to pluck. I just go ahead and pluck back and forth until it look nice and natural. I did go ahead and cut the lace in the front. I did it on the mannequin head. You know, with the closure, it's easier than the frontal. So with the frontal, you have to put it on your head in order to measure it behind your ears and make sure it sit. But the closure is different, the closure is easier. I did go ahead and style the hair off camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my head. I did not use any elastic band for this wig because it was sitting pretty tight. Also, I didn't use no glue or got to be glue to apply this hair. If you guys don't know how to apply your frontal, go check out my last video, because in the last video I showed you guys how to apply your lace frontal. But with this closure, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my head. It's just gonna sit. I didn't have to do that much, which was pretty good. With this wig, I just have to put it on and take it off at night, which is great. Next, I placed the wig on my head and make sure it's where I want it. I did create some baby hair and I used my hand to pluck it a little more. And I also use my gel to lay it down, and at the end I use the Got To Be glue. So for the part, I use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation just because I wanted the glue to go away. Even though I bleached the closure, the glue still got into the base. So if that happened to you, you could just go ahead and fix that. I did give the front a little more curls because I want it to be bouncy. So since I couldn't use my hot comb to flat the part, I use my flat iron. You could go ahead and use anything that is hot. A curly iron would be fine too, but I like to use my hot comb for this. This is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next one.